Okay, guys, here we go. It's Friday, May 1st, 2020, and the market's open here in about a minute. And we're looking at Apple. It's trading about 186 now. Let me see, about right in here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. We'll probably wick down, hit this little low pivot area here. This is the hourly chart. Each candle is 1 hour price action, and we're looking for a quick little bounce here to the upside. Let's see where we are. We're at about 45 seconds. So I'm going to go to the 10-minute chart, and as you can see, we'll probably come down, hit our 200 here, and I'm going to see if we'll come in here, and there's a couple of areas we're looking at for a possible bounce. We have about 25 seconds left in the markets. So let me put you on pause, and then when the markets open, we'll come in here and try to grab a quick long position, 1,000 shares long, meaning we're looking for that stock to bounce to the upside in an oversold little quick rally, and then we'll go from there. Okay, guys, here we go. The market's just open, and it looks like we came down. We're right under this low pivot area. Yeah, here we go, and looks like that's our next resistance area. So we're kind of in between, going to be trading in between the blue dash lines here. Possible support if we lose this, and we'll definitely be coming down to the 200. I'm going to go to our 2-minute chart here in a second for our first 2 minutes. This is our first 2 minutes of price action here, and generally we like to see how the first 2 minutes work out, and then make a decision off of that. It's very positive right now, so I don't know if that's going to be a bull trap and then slam to the downside here. Trying to pull this in so you can see it. We have less than a minute, about 50-something seconds left. And let me see. We like to generally pull in here and take the high and low of the opening of the day, the first 2 minutes, and see how we trade in there. And then we look for either a breakdown or breakout of the first 2-minute candle of the day. So trading towards the top. Have about 20 seconds left of this candle. If we push up and over, and we'll take a long position, looking at maybe a run to this 291. If we hit over the top here at 289, in other words, if we push through there, then we'll look at taking a long position on Apple. And let me pull this in so you can see it better. I don't know if you can see that. Here we go, we're in. And then about 50% of that candle we will hold here. That'll be our stop loss. I don't want to hold it all the way down here. So we'll try to, and depending on where this candle ends, or the bottom of it, we can still wick down pretty far before we go up. Depending on how much sales pressure is here. Okay, here we go. We're in on this blue dash line, so anything over that we're positive. Anything under that, like right now, we're in the red. But we're thinking we'll get maybe 2 or 3 candles down and then push to the upside. So we'll see how that. And then this is our stop loss, about 50% of this candle. Actually, that's a little better than 50%. And then we have about 45 seconds left of this candle, and then we'll bring this line up to the low pivot of that candle and see if we can't get a higher low off that candle, but this will be a reference point. So far, that's the low of the next candle we're looking at. Got about 20 seconds. So we're still in the top 60% or so of the first 2-minute candle of the day. We're in that top range, which is good. We haven't broken this little 50-60% range of the candle yet, and normally we would already be surging up, so we'll see how this works out. Okay, right now we're about a $400 move to the upside. And then let's see if we can get break that. Sometimes you'll go to those even whole round numbers like at 290. So we'll see if we can get a surge up to 290. That's where we'll take profits. Okay, whoa, it did run. We might hit our target up here. If it comes back down, okay, I missed it. Oh, come on, one more surge. Okay, we're out. We're out. So that's not bad. Okay, 290.14 is not too bad. I was thinking we'd come up here to that purple line. We still have about less than 30 seconds left in this candle. We'll see what we do. And we're making higher lows. See the low, higher low, higher low. And I'm trying to see what. But I don't like that we're pulling that far back. If that makes sense, we were coming back under 50% of that candle. You don't really want that to happen. We got lucky here. Okay, here we go. The next 2-minute candle, we pull that in so you can see it testing right where we got out. I should have stayed in. Let's see if we'll get a surge up to our target at 291. There's just about a minute 40 left. Anyway, and then I'll cut the video here. I appreciate you guys hanging on. I just kind of wanted to see where we're going. And almost. Pretty close. Yeah, we should get rejection right here. Oh. Should get a pullback in there. But it's strong this morning. A lot of buy the dippers coming in. Well, we're happy with what we got. Got a minute left, so if you want to hang around a minute, one more minute. We'll see if that 200 is support or resistance. We close above it. Could be support for us, or if we duck under it. About 40 seconds left. Okay, about 25 seconds left. And then we'll close out the video. I don't want to sit here and watch paint dry, but maybe the 20 is going to be the next target. About 10 seconds left. And it is strong. Man, the buy the dippers are coming in. Here we go. Here comes the next candle. 2-minute candle. Each 2 minutes there's a new candle coming in. Okay, that might have been it. Okay. Thanks guys for being members, and we will see you on the charts.